Let us understand how to draw pressure, volume and temperature entropy diagram for the dual cycle. Process 1 to 2 is the isentropic compression process. So isentropic, that means entropy S will remain constant. Now what is the effect of pressure and volume? So compression, that means its a pressure increases. So we have to show increase in pressure and decrease in volume. As pressure increases, temperature also increases. Now on this pressure volume diagram, we will select the initial point 1. Here increase in pressure and decrease in volume. So we have to show this point 2 with increase in pressure. So here if we observe, this is pressure P1 and here is pressure P2. Increase in pressure and decrease in volume. Now we will move to the temperature entropy diagram. Now S remains constant and temperature increases. So for this constant S, we have to show vertical line. And this is the point 1 because the temperature increases, and here we will show point 2. So I will show here, this is the point 2. Now we will move to the next process 2 to 3. Now this is the dual cycle where the heat addition process is taking place at constant volume as well as at constant pressure. So we will first take this constant volume heat addition. So we have to show the volume constant. So for this process V will remain constant. Now we know that as the heat is added, that means its pressure increases, temperature also increases as well as entropy also increases. So because of the addition of heat, entropy increases. So we will show here P increases, volume will remain constant, temperature will increase and S will also increase. Now we have to show this. So because of constant volume, we will show vertical line. Pressure increases, I will show here the point 3. Now this is the process 2 to 3. Now we will show this on temperature entropy. T increases, S is also increases. So we have to show this. So increase in temperature and increase in entropy. So here is the point 3. Now we will move to the next process 3 to 4. Constant pressure heat addition. So here the pressure remains constant. Now we will show here P will remain constant. So heat addition process, that means when the pressure remains constant, that means we have to show increase in volume, we have to show increase in temperature and we have to show increase in entropy also. So we will show this. Now pressure remain constant, volume increases. So I will show here straight horizontal line so that these 3 and 4 will remain constant. Pressure at 3 and pressure at point 4 will remain constant. Now what about this temperature entropy? So temperature increases, entropy also increases. So I will show this. So here is the point 4 where temperature increases and entropy also increases. Now process 4 to 5 is the isentropic expansion process. So what is happening in the expansion process? So here entropy remain constant. So S will remain constant. Now expansion, that means pressure decreases. So we have to show decrease in pressure and increase in volume. So we have to show P decreases, volume increases. Now as P decreases, temperature will also decrease. So we have to show this. So PV diagram, pressure decreases. So we have to show decrease in pressure but increase in volume. So here will be the point 5. Now we will show here S constant and T decreases. So because of the constant entropy, we have to show here vertical line and T decreases. So we have to show here the next point 5. Now we will move to the process 5 to 1. Constant volume heat addition. So V will remain constant. So V will remain constant. And heat rejection process. So we know that due to the heat rejection, pressure decreases, temperature decreases and entropy will also decrease. So we have to show here P decreases, entropy decreases and T will also decrease. Now we have to show. So pressure decreases, V will remain constant. So because of constant V, we have to show vertical line. And this is the process where pressure decreases, decrease in pressure from 5 to 1. Now entropy decreases, temperature decreases. So if we join this 5 and 1, then temperature decreases and entropy will also decrease. So we have to show this. So if we observe this pressure volume diagram and temperature entropy diagram for the dual cycle is getting completed.